Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Umar Bhatt, and today in this video we are kicking off our SEO series with SEO, what is search engine optimization. And believe me, you can learn a lot of things, a lot of key points related to SEO in this video. So let's dive in. If you have ever wondered why some websites, magically appear on the first page, even some websites appear on the top of the result, and there are a lot of websites, they are buried on page 10, page 11, page 9. So this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you will understand some points, and these are what SEO actually means and why it's critical for the success of your website, and the three core pillars of SEO that every beginner needs to know. So let's dive in. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's the process of improving your website to rank higher in different search engines, including Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, and also YouTube. Think of it like this: a search engine is a librarian and your website is a book. So the SEO will help the librarian to understand the topic of your book so they can recommend it to the right readers. The readers, they are searching using different keywords and queries about the content of your book. So the SEO will definitely recommend your book to the perfect and right readers. The higher you rank, the more free traffic you get. For instance, the number one result on search engine gets 28% of all clicks. So that's why SEO is a game changer. Now let's move to the part 2, why SEO matters. So some points you need to remember. It's about free traffic. So unlike other PPC platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, so you don't need to pay for every click. So this is the first point of why SEO matters, that you will get free traffic and build trust. So people trust websites that rank number 1 on search engine. This is the second point. And long-term results, a well-optimized page can bring traffic for years. But SEO is not just about Google. It's about understanding the requirements and the needs of your audience and delivering exactly what they are searching for. Now let's move to the part 3, the pillars of the SEO. And these are including on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO, like optimizing the content of your website, including pages, posts, products, and their titles, headers, keywords, these things. And off-page SEO, like building the reputation of your website using different backlinks and also social shares. And the technical SEO, like you are fixing behind the scenes issue, including the speed of your website and mobile friendliness. So let's break these down with an example. Let me give you one example. Imagine you are running a bakery website. So on page will be, you write a blog, you write a post, and the title of that post will be 10 best birthday cakes in New York. And the off page, like food bloggers, there are different food bloggers websites, they link to your recipe in their website. And technical, like your site loads fast on mobile devices. So combine all three and Google definitely rewards you with higher rankings. Now let's move to the part 4, that is common SEO myths. And these are, before we wrap up, let's bust 2 big myths. And these are, some people say SEO is dead, but the truth is SEO involves and it's still growing. Google processes 8.5 billion searches daily. And the myth number 2, like you need to be a tech genius. No, the tools like Google Keywords Planner and Rank Math SEO, this is a plugin that we use in WordPress SEO, and these type of other tools, they make SEO easy for beginners. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn and they can increase their professional skills. And also subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.